Hello everyone, and welcome back. It's about 10:30 in the morning right now. I'm heading up to the South Louisiana Crawfish Festival. I'm going to meet Melissa's daughter Ashlyn there, the grandkids. Not sure if her husband is coming or not, but it should be a fun time. It's warm out. I mean, that sun is hot. It's going for 85 degrees today. And right now Melissa is with my daughter Sarah, daughter-in-law Samantha, and my ex-wife Deanne, and they are going to the Glen Sheen Mansion, and then they're going to go out for Chinese, and from there I think they're going to do there's a train, like a scenic train ride that you can take, but up there it was 36 degrees, raining, just a crappy day. Ashlyn just messaged me, Melissa's daughter, and said that they're just about here. I parked about as far away from the other cars as possible because trying to get this truck out of anywhere that's tight is not very fun. Just a steady stream of cars coming in. Okay, everyone. Well, thanks a lot for watching. It was fun to spend a few hours with Ashlyn and Landon and Ellie and Bradley and Bailey. I haven't seen them for quite a long time. And this was a really nice place to do it. Ate some crawfish, what did we have? Cookie dough and cinnamon king cake egg rolls. They were interesting and good. Fun time. I will see you guys on the next video.